Hey guys, welcome back. We are working on this 2015 Dodge Journey today. It's been minus 30 up here in Canada for the last several days. It was parked outside and it looks like it pretty much wore the battery down. I went to go charge it back up. It's not really holding a charge, so we're going to replace the battery out of this. So we'll find out what Dodge has engineered for us to be able to get this battery out. You're going to find there's a couple surprises if you haven't already got under your own to see what's going on. Let's go take a look. Okay, pretty simple. Pop the hood, find the battery, replace it, right? No. As you can see, there's no battery. So right here, this is the positive area where you're going to jump the car if you had to, and this would be your negative. Now, these are the two. However, the battery is located below here. How do we get to it? So the battery is actually located right behind here, underneath the light, behind the bumper. Some guys have shown that they can actually take the bumper off to get to it. It's not necessary. What we're going to do today is we're going to remove the tire, and up in here is this fender cover. We're going to remove this piece of the fender cover right here, and right behind this is going to be the battery. Okay, so we got the tire off, and what you can see here is right behind this panel here, there's a couple of plugs to pull out here. Some people will take this upper fender cover out, but it's not needed. So just take off this piece here and you can still get in there and get to where the actual battery is. Okay, after some pushing and shoving, we finally got this out. We have the two connectors here. You don't have to remove these or these other cables here. You can just remove the actual lock nut here that's on top. This one here. This one here will be a 10 millimeter, as well as the same on this side. Are both 10 millimeter bolts. Well, there you have it. One battery replaced in a 2015 Dodge Journey. Should have been a lot easier than that, but it's not. Thank Dodge for that, but at least we got a way to figure it out. So if you got any questions or comments, throw them down below. Otherwise, we'll catch you next time. Cheers.